make them sit, say, let me see. Show them say, other range out there. Show them. Hold on, fast. Break.
What's up, my beautiful people? Who not going? I want to stay. Hope and wish everybody is in good health and good strength. Now, you don't know Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yeah, man, me there back with another banger. What me just say? I'm back with another banger. Remember, like, share the video, comment on the video, and I could do some things. I could talk. My people, this I wanna disturbing. Me know wanna see the thumbnail, don't? Yeah, man, me know wanna see the thumbnail. Mr. Drizzy Burke. Why, Mr. Drizzy Burke? Me just not, you know, me not gonna say nothing more after this video. Me not think me not think me should have said nothing more after this video. Because as far as me concerned, the man them will work on the Walking TV. Crazy. As far as me concerned, them crazy. Me no understand. People, me do some investigation. Some serious investigation. Me dig. Me find out something. You know, see the thumbnail? Yeah, man. So the star of the show. The star of the show. 6 Boss. Why me people, me not understand. A $50,000 Drizzy Burke. $50,000 Drizzy Burke appear. 6 Boss a month. People, you see when time me, you see, people, let me say this, you see. And I don't know what happened to Drizzy Burke. I don't know what happened to the man them around him. It's either Drizzy Burke. Me don't know what you think. Yeah, me reach a point now where me don't know what you think at all. Me see, me have some people come on my channel here. And I tell me how me fi mind my business. Drizzy at this, Drizzy at that, Drizzy at this, Drizzy at that. But let me ask you something. So you feel comfortable Drizzy take advantage of a person who cannot go out and look a job. Cannot go out and look a job. 6 Boss can't go look a job. 6 Boss cannot do everything for himself. And you tell me, say, you have a man on your channel like 6 Boss. We are bringing in the money. We are bringing in the views. We are bringing in the likes. We are bringing in the comments. We are bringing in everything. Then adventure where is a different money. Hello, it's a different money. And you tell me, say you pay the man 50,000. Yo, let me tell you something, youth. You see them rich people where you are go around. Me know say them no know what you are doing that quiet. You know? Yeah, man, me know say them no know what you are doing that quiet. Me know. Me not ask. Me know say none of them no know what you are doing that quiet. You know why they don't know? Because your team member them make everything look good. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. The car where you buy, how you buy that car? You buy that car out of YouTube. And you don't want the man and drive a car too? Hold on, let me ask you this now. Is a jet you want to buy? and them still don't have a bicycle. You know, it is very disturbing, you see, when me get these information that you are pay 6 bars, $50,000. And when me at Jamaica, when you're going to the supermarket and take up couple things, like if you're going to the supermarket and take up meat, bread, rice, sugar, flour, milk, the main things that when you eat every day are $12, $15, $20,000. You see how 6 eat? 6 eat enough. 6 want like a pocket money. If you go drink with your friend or go walk with your friend. 6 have friends. 6 have a life too, you know. Him only can do everything for himself. And you are giving him $50,000 for him pay? It's a shame, man. Me listen to the brother we name Shane, you know. And when Shane I say, and the exact information when me get, you know. Yeah, man, me get the exact information. Oh, you fear pay the man $50,000 when you are carry the man on your 2 channel. Yo, that mean if you have paid the star 50,000, I wonder how much you have paid the rest of man. I want, by the way, hold on a little bit. By the way, what you are tell them man they say, that's them, because tell the truth, whatsoever you are tell them, it a work. But me go say this, and me go blame Bingy General. You want me go blame Bingy? Him have a channel. Him have a YouTube channel, so he must know how YouTube payment go. He must have an idea of how YouTube payment go. Yo, my youth, you know, say, to be honest with you, you know, me never want to say that part here, but me go say it. When you listen, go back and listen to Border Cat. And the thing between you and Border Cat, the thief in a Border Cat money. And when Border Cat, when your mother contact Border Cat and set up a meeting, you never show up. You never want to show up at the meeting, then couldn't get you. I think they finally get you. And who pay back the money where you thief from Border Cat? Your mother. So hear what me I say now. Me don't want to say it, you know. I know what, me not go say it. Yeah, me not go say it. Me gonna leave it right there, sir. But hear what me I say, youth. You cannot do people like that. You cannot do people like that. Johnny a big man. Yeah, Johnny a big man. Danny a puppet. I feel your press button. Yeah, I feel your press button. Because remember, you know, after the truth, you grow in a Danny yard. When everybody gone at the yard, you find yourself at Danny yard. Yeah, man, you find yourself at Danny yard. I won't need that talk about. I won't need that talk about. And little after that, Gravy come out and say, who know what talk about? What guy eat her buff? Who go pan truth? Who go pan truth? I wanna not talk nothing about payment. All you hear is Lego the bird. Lego the bird. So who not go pan truth for talk nothing about what go on in a this. Well, hold on. Gravy talk about 2 things. Gravy talk about Bingy. Gravy talk about payment. I want to know address payment. All you do is downgrade the woman. You disgrace the woman. You talk all kind of thing. You talk about how the woman never I eat no food, I want to buy this, I want to buy... What with that little hotel? You can talk about you give people things. You give them things. Let me tell you who talk about things where they give people. Mama man. Only a mama man talk about where them give people. You know how much things me give people? And not even here something I go say it. Me give people a whole heap of something. Let me tell hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Let me help you a little bit. Me give people all a house. And you talk about you give people few little something. And you talk about a whole heap of thing you give them. Whole heap of what you give them? You think if you give them whole heap of something, the people would have come out and talk? Me not telling a lie, youth. But this $50,000 where you pay the man get me hungry. Yeah man, this $50,000 where you pay the star of the show get me hungry, brother. And hear me now. Me know some people are going to come in the comment and say, how me know that? That can't true. But me I tell you the truth. If you don't ask Drizzy Burke for sure no, the receipt in car show no, because the receipt is 50 grand. Remember, you know, this month, if them got 300,000 views and them will go get $10. If Drizzy Burke will get $10 for 300,000 views this month, next month he get 1 million views. That's more money. So if you are pay every month is $50,000, I rob the man, them man. Why this get me hungry, brother? Yeah, man, it get me hungry. If you see how you are live and operate like you are king, and you don't know how to talk, you know you can't have a conversation. Remember me tell you, listen to how you talk. You cannot have a conversation. You don't know how to talk. You don't know. You come on pan the truth. And as you come on pan the truth, the first thing you start to do is disrespect the woman. When the woman attack, what happened to her? You talk about how you and Gravy have conversation. I doubt if you talk to her 100 times when the woman a drive up and down in your car. When you know go to event, she in your car, Mel in your car, you are for your car, all of the women them are going. But you are talk about you not talk to her how much time. When you don't get the award, when you get the award them, how come if she not on your team? How she have up the award, the big old award? Brother, you make mankind look like doodoo. Yeah man, you make mankind look bad, man. You mean, brother. You mean. I mean, I gonna drop this in there too. How much money you put when you go down Westmoreland, they go give the hurricane people them? You not put no money in that. Not even that you not put no money in. If you listen to the conversation on the video. Listen to the conversation on the video. A JK had to do everything. You only did it as a cameraman and it look like a you, but you not do nothing. If you not pay your work and you think you're going in your pocket, go take out no whole heap of money, but buy nothing give nobody. You can't fool me. You may can't fool other people, but you can't fool me. But you need to sit down, you see? Let me tell you something. You tell Ram the trucker say nothing call your name and nothing like you can dictate and tell nobody nothing call your name. Who is you for people? People we never have to call your name. Cause you think you own YouTube or you run YouTube. No, you don't run YouTube, brother. You have to remember, you know? Remember, say one of the first channel where you have it gone. And then you build the next one. And then you come back. And you continue with it. Remember, you know? So anybody YouTube can shut down. Anybody. So when you depend there, go on and talk about man, no fi call your name and no fi vlog about you, and you can't tell nobody that. What you need to do, you need to sit down and realize to yourself, say, you've been in this problem too much. Stop rob, stop steal, stop thief the youth them and the man them. But me blame them. Me blame all of them. I tell about Lego the bird. Lego the bird. Lego what bird? Pay me my money. Yeah, pay me my money. $50,000 you pay the man. And then you go buy 100 black. Drizzy Burke. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. So when my old man drop out, my old man pass away, rest in peace, General. And me buy the black, the sand, and the cement. And 100 black me buy. 6 yards of sand and 5 bags of cement. I think me did get 6 because me get 1 extra one. And that made it by me. What you see yourself? Fi bury my father, fi dig the hole. And when all of them black go down in the hole, not one of them left over. So it's a disgrace. You buy the man a room under the earth. 100 black. And I pay him $50,000. It's a disgrace to the man. It's a disgrace to the race, man, to the human race, brother. How you going, sir? Want make you stay, sir? Oh, you love money, sir? Yo, me love money, but not so. The way you love money, me I tell you the truth. Certain conversation me not hold. Because me can't tell you that. Me your people I say it, but me can't hold them kind of conversation. Because if you do your thing, you do your thing, and your business that. But 6 bars and your channel are filled with business. Because we are watching. You think I look, you know how much time I watch it? Hold on, you know how much time I watch a video? I mean I left out of my house. I mean left the TV on. And when me come back me have to go back 10 video. So all of that they watch, because guess what? Me I say me I look out for all YouTubers, everybody with our Jamaica, so we want money. So me just left it make it run. Advertisement, me don't want to watch you advertisement then, but me left them make them run. So that's we can all make a money, make a bread. But you make all of the money you. And now give the people them no, now give the people my money. Right now, let me tell you something. Right now, you see, Bingy do a loyalty thing. Yeah, Bingy do a loyalty thing. You need to listen to that. Because guess what? Loyalty, where Bingy are for you. You hear them a chastise him? Hold on. My name reach to Bingy yet, you know. Can me go chop up him too? You hear them a chastise him because him know things about you and what you are do. And him not say nothing because him loyal to you. You know, and you name look on that and say to yourself, say, me have to go do better. Because you think you are the done. Yeah, because you think you are the done. But you are not the done, man. You are not the done at all. You're a fool. You can't do that to people, brother. You're not supposed to do them something to people, man. Me can't, I want thing, you know. Me can't look like me and laugh or me and have fun. I'm talking about people that take advantage of the brother disabled, you know, brother. Disability. The brother have him disability and everything, not really disabled because him a move up and down and him a do everything. But this disabilities. him can't do everything right. And you are do the man, so brother, 50,000. The man, the least money the man should not get is 100,000 Jamaican dollar. You should not get no money more than 6 bars, you know? By the way, hold on a little bit. Have you ever checked out how much money the cameraman them film the movie then get? With the man them film the movie, you see? Who get all of the money? You have two people who get good money. The director and the actor. Yeah, them man they make the good, serious money. Which one of them you is? You neither the director or nothing, because guess what? Me go say this to you. I'm going to put this right in your face. You see, most of them things when I see I go on Walking TV, I don't think you have nothing to do with it. I don't think you have set up some of them something where I go on. Yeah, I don't think you have set them up. Let me tell you something. If anybody I hear this, or I see this, and I go talk to Drizzy Burke, tell Drizzy Burke, say, or Drizzy Burke if you are listening, you see Bingy, people may have bash Bingy, but at 6 and Bingy I roll up Walking TV family. Who? Sit down and think who responsible for 6 bars. Sit down and think who responsible for 6 bars. I'm going to leave you with that. Sit down and ask yourself who in charge of 6 bars. But no, you don't even care about that, because you can lock down YouTube and fly off in the sunset to Canada. You're going like a year alone have Canada visa, or a year alone can fly off. People, I'm out. Remember, if you like and share the video, comment on the video. Make we discuss this one here, because this one is a shame. $50,000. The star, 6 bars, I get film pay. Peace and love, and have a nice day. Blessings.